There you go.
There you go.
That's good.
Here you go. Wow.
Yeah, see?
Finally. Good.
First
good.
day, good.
Wow. Good, Emma.
Should we give her more?
Maybe because she's been eating like 400 grams a day or something. Wow. Now you see how you do that.
First life lesson. Clean the whole thing out.
Good girl.
Full? I guess so, huh? Maybe not.
Clean your bowl.
Let's go in there, fat guy. You doing okay? You look good. You look good.
It's really So are you full? Are you satisfied?
Should put some more in there for her tonight.